Hey everyone! So today I'm gonna share with you what I have been doing. It's called diamond art. They call it like different names, but it's all the same thing. This one is diamond dots. This is the biggest that I'm working on right now. This one will be a gift. I'm also working on these. Well, I work on these first, but then I just want to finish this first before this, and then this one. This third one right here. These boxes are empty. They're already like open. This diamond dots, diamond art, it has like different levels. This one is advanced expert. Also, this one is advanced expert too. This one is advanced. Let me show you what's inside, and then I'll show you the ones that I did already. My husband keep buying me this stuff because he sees that I'm having fun with this. So I guess he buy me this so that he can focus on his games more. So I don't need to bother him or something, I guess. I don't know. I don't know his reasons. This one is the elephant. This one is nice. It has a lot of colors. So it's gonna be like that. I'm gonna show you the picture how it's gonna look like. I never seen this yet, but this is really nice. It's small, but it has a lot of colors. I think I'm gonna finish this if I don't stop, because sometimes I take a breaks because you know I have something to do here too at the house. I'm not just like sitting down and just doing this for the whole day. If I did, then I think I would finish it all. And also I need to eat too. It's small. The good thing about this is you don't even need to like buy separate things. These are the diamonds. They have the pen, and they also give you this. So you go like that. So you have like a pen, and they give you 10 pieces of the Ziplocs. This one is the wax. You just grab the pen and then you put like wax on the pen. It has hole inside there so the wax can stay in there. And it's nice too that they give you a little container for the wax, because if it's just gonna be like out like this, it's gonna be hard by then. It's better to store it in something like that. And this is where you put the diamonds, so it's easier for you to pick it up instead of like, you know, putting it somewhere and stuff like that. And they have instruction. I don't think you would get confused of doing this anyway, because it's easy to understand. I'll show you how it looks like. It has grid and you just have to follow those. It has the chart symbol and the number and the packet number, so you know which diamonds you're supposed to put in those little boxes. Anyway, that's the whole stuff in the box. And now I'm gonna show you the ones that I already did. So we bought this from Hobby Lobby. This is the Starry Night. I don't know if you're familiar with the painting Starry Night, but that's the Starry Night. It's already finished. I finished it for a week and I think a couple of days. It sparkles and stuff like that, and it's really nice. You can put this up in your house or you can give it as a gift. I got this too. I put it in a frame too so that the diamonds doesn't fall off. It's a really nice stuff that you can put in your house too. And I really like this rose. This rose is like the elephant that I'm gonna do. We bought these at Walmart. If you can't go to Hobby Lobby or something like that, they have it at Walmart. I don't know if all Walmarts have these, so I got these two in one box. That's the Dotz art from Walmart, and I hope you guys like the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you want to get updated on our video, click the notification bell. And we will see you on the next video. Bye bye!